dunyo bo'yicha streamerlar o'rtasida 99-kolleksiyada bo'lgan nomeradigan akkauntni sizlarga tanishtirib o'taman. Ismi esa Farruh, Pokiston. Sizlar nima deb o'ylaysizlar? 99-kolleksiyaga kelgungacha qancha pul sarflab olgan Farruh? O'zidan bir qator bu narsani so'rab o'tamiz.
He's asking like how much money you spent to get a 99 collection.
I never calculated how much money I spent because the one thing, let me explain. The one time I was trying to like calculate everything, and I got like the anxiety because I spent so much money, and I was thinking if I spend this much money on something else, I could be somewhere else in the world. But yes, I spent a lot of money.
Sizlar nima deb o'ylaysizlar? 99 kolleksiyada top 6 da turgungacha qancha pul sarflab olgan? Bu narsani esa kommentda albatta o'z izohingizni yozib qoldiring. O'zbeklarni, Pokistonlar ham gapirib o'tmoqda.
Uzbeklar bro, Uzbeklar, Pakistan zinda.